Hi guys, hope that you are fine. Well, today we will see together the most useful verb in English. We will start by the verb to make, to do, to eat, to buy, to try, to have, to feel, to go, to want, to think, to be, to explain, to come, to work, to ask, to seem, to see, to smell, to taste. To live, to remember, to forget, to sleep, to wake up, to use, to speak, to hear, to listen, to stay. Now we will see some examples. For example, to make and to do. Nearly they are the same. Yapmak. They are the same. But in English, we use do for action, obligation, and repetitive task. We use make for creating or producing something. For example, we can say I have to do my homework. I will make breakfast. What are you doing? To eat. Yemek. What do you want to eat? I want to eat kebab, for example. To buy. I bought new clothes. Buy is in present, bought is in past. We will see present, past, future on the next session, so just don't worry about that. Take, for example, your notebook and write the lesson. Take your notebook and write the lesson. To have. Do you have a pen? Yes, I have. No, I don't have. Try. Denemek. There is no harm in trying. There is no harm in trying. Or for example, you can say, whenever you have the opportunity to try something new, try it. How do you feel now? Hissetmek. Feel. How do you feel now? I feel better now. Thank you. To go. Gitmek. Where are you going? I'm going home. Would you like to go with me to supermarket? To want. What do you want? I want nothing, thanks. I want to travel. To think. What are you thinking about? I am thinking of my business. I am thinking of you. To be. Be or not to be. Olmak ya da olmamak. Shakespeare. What do you want to be when you grow? I want to be a doctor. I want to be a teacher. I want to be an engineer. I want to be a journalist. To explain. It's very hard to explain. I am explaining the lesson now. To come. Where are you? For example, we can ask this question. Where are you? Wait me, please. I'm coming. I'm coming. Or we can say, come with me, please. Come with me. To work. What are you doing? Now I'm working with my team. For this question, for example, what are you doing? Now I'm working with my team. What do you do for a living? What do you do for a living? I work as a teacher. For example, yeah. To ask. Would you like to ask me something? Would you like to ask me something? I have no question to ask now. Yes, I would like to ask you something. Okay guys, that's all for today. Bye bye for now.